Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to cancel UK visa application. Now there are different cancellation scenarios and steps to follow, but before we start, we'd like to provide some general information. You can apply to cancel your UK visa application at any stage. Cancelling your application doesn't guarantee a refund or that your application will be cancelled. The cancellation process and refund eligibility depends on the type of visa you applied for, how you proved your identity, and the stage your application is at. And lastly, you cannot stop the cancellation once it's been received by UK Visas and Immigration. And now to the different scenarios and steps. If you were told to attend an appointment but haven't given your fingerprint and photo, you can cancel your appointment online. If you apply within the UK, then you can use this form. We'll call this Scenario 1, Step 2, in the description so you can click the link. Also, if you applied outside the UK, you'll need to sign into your account using the link from your sign-up email and go to Section 6, Further Actions, to cancel your application. You'll also need to cancel any appointment at the Visa Application Center. Now here's the second scenario. If you were told to attend an appointment and you already have given your fingerprint and photo, you can use this form. We will call this Scenario 2 link. If you're outside the UK, you'll need to contact UK Visas and Immigration. You can find the contact details on the gov.uk website. And here's the third scenario. If you use the UK Immigration ID Check smartphone app, you can cancel your application online. Sign into your account using the link from your sign-up email. Go to your dashboard and select Withdraw this application for the application you want to cancel. We hope this information is clear enough for you to follow and succeed in your bid to cancel your UK visa application. Don't forget to check the respective links in the description for easy access to them.